In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix confirm your age to continue in Grok AI. If you're seeing that age prompt, it usually means your account doesn't have a birth year set yet, or the app needs you to verify it to unlock access. We'll fix it right inside your account settings, and I'll walk you through every click so it's quick and straightforward. First, open your browser and search for Grok AI. Typing the product name into your search engine is the fastest way to get to the official site. Look for the legitimate Grok AI result and open it. This ensures you land on the correct page before you adjust any account details. Once you're on Grok AI, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This icon is typically your avatar, a silhouette, or your initials. If the sidebar is minimized, moving your mouse toward the left edge usually reveals it, so you can clearly see the profile area. After opening your profile area, click on Settings. This brings you to your account configuration page, where personal preferences and account information live. The age confirmation issue is controlled here, so this is exactly where you want to be. On the Settings page, locate the section labeled Birth Year. This is the field Grok AI checks to confirm you meet the minimum age requirement for the service and its features. Next, click on Change next to Birth Year. This tells the app you want to update the stored value and proceed with verification. You'll see a selection interface that lets you pick the correct year. Now, choose your birth year from the list. Scroll until you find it and select the accurate year that reflects your real information. Picking the correct year is important because the app relies on it to determine eligibility for access, and keeping your account details accurate helps avoid future verification prompts. When you're done, click Continue to save your selection. This action applies the update to your account and finalizes the verification. After this, the Confirm Your Age to Continue message should no longer appear, and you can continue using Grok AI without interruption. That's all there is to it. By navigating to the official site, opening your profile, going into settings, and updating the birth year field, you've resolved the age confirmation prompt in just a few clicks. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll get right back to exploring and using Grok AI as intended. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clear the prompt quickly and confidently.